Hey guys, welcome back to my page. This is Lily. Look at this beautiful, beautiful country that we are in. Niue Happy. That's where my sister-in-law Margaret lives now with herself. But anyway, hey, welcome back to my page. This is Lily. It's beautiful. It's awesome. And this was my brother's farm as well before he passed away 2019, no 18 actually, no 19, yes, 2019. And this is their little place here. I mean, it's not little, it isn't massive, and that's their dog Scotty. Hey Scotty! And I'm actually in the garage making this video. Wow, this is it's just beautiful, isn't it? I mean, I guess as a farmer you wake up to this every morning, to this view, but coming from the city and and into the country, it's just a spectacular view to wake up to. Look at all the sheep up the top there. It's raining at the moment, but it has been good, so yeah, weather has been pretty good, but it's just started to rain and I think it's nice rain. Yes. So we're on a road trip. We started off in our road trip off in let's see, so you can see some of the view. We started our road trip off what's the day? Tuesday morning, the 1st of October. And so the first night we spent in Tutavaha, beautiful place. We went to mineral pools, Debrets, and that was lovely as well. And then from there, we've just been enjoying everything here. Everything has just been beautiful. So now we're at the farm for 3 days, and then from after 3 days, we'll be heading down to Wellington. And we're totally looking forward to it. Totally. So yes, this is where we are. I can't really get out in the rain and show you a bit more, but yes I can. Forestry just behind, just ahead there. And there is one of the sheepdogs. But look at this beautiful view of this beautiful place. And I'll go up to the patio and capture another beautiful. So yep, I'd call this the Tutavaha farm. This is where we are right now, looking. So this is a window view. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Looking down at the lake. Look at that. That's the road to drive in here, down that way. Look at that river, eh? It's filling up. It's nice. So that's us here in this place. Looking good. We're just on our road trip with baby Luta. She's asleep at the moment with Mum. Mum's putting her to bed right now. It's lovely here. Just love it. Miss my bro. Look at these beautiful spring flowers. That. I wonder how old that is. As old as the house. Beautiful cactus. It's just around the... call it more of the, this would really be the front area, but it's the back really. So here we go, this area. This is really the end of the road where they are, their farm. Those beautiful daisies, eh? Lovely. Hey, hello. Wow, look at some of the tulips are just growing, and the wildflowers. Yeah, this is springtime here in Niue Happy, and this is the Tutavaha Missy and Margaret. Margaret is running and James helping her, the son. But it's beautiful. It's a beautiful place. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's us. This is where we are. It's part of our journey. We're still heading down with baby. They come over from Sydney, and we've joined them on this trip. And it's really been fun so far. It really is. So we still have to head down to Wellington. Then we head up from Wellington to Taranaki. This is Timo's place, where that's Margaret and Missy's son and their children. And then that's the last of it. And then I think 3 more days and Leroy and Michelle will be heading back to Sydney. But beautiful. Really nice. So we'll catch you again on my next video. Look, watch out for it. Okay. This is Lily. Bye for now. Oh, for those of you who don't know where my happy, well, not a lot would know, but this is in Masterton. Yeah, so we come into the Masterton town, drove about 40 minutes out to this farm. Beautiful. Lovely place, isn't it?